Hello all, Blank Savvy here. In this video, I will show you how to make GoAnimate videos using Sora. In case you don't know, Sora is an AI video maker created by OpenAI, the maker of ChatGPT, and it can produce high-quality videos from user-written prompts. It can generate scenes with detailed motion and environments, and it supports a range of styles from cinematic footage to animation. Each Sora video is 10 to 15 seconds long, which allows you to create short-form content in a matter of minutes. The fun part is that you can cast any character in your videos, including GoAnimate characters. With Sora, you can skip the time-consuming process of making a video in Beyond, Wrapper Offline, or Flash themes, and create more content in less time. Now, this tutorial assumes two things. 1. You have created one or more GoAnimate characters that you would like to feature in your Sora videos, and 2. You have both a Windows PC and an iPhone. If you have neither of those, you can still use Sora, but you'll end up making GoAnimate videos differently. For Android users, casting is not yet available, but you can still cast any character on your desktop. Without further ado, let's get started. Our first step in the workflow is to make a GoAnimate video, so you will want to open Wrapper Offline. Then, click on Make a Video. Then, click on any GoAnimate theme you want. For this tutorial, I'm going to click on Comedy World. Once you are in the video maker, clear the background and choose a solid background color. Here, I'm going to create a green screen. Next, add your character to the video. Here, I will add Dora Marquez. Next, set the scene duration to 6 seconds. If you want to cast more than one character to Sora, add a scene and remove your first character. Rinse and repeat with different characters. Here, I will add Dora's mom Elena, Dora's teacher Mrs. Christina, and Dora's principal Mr. Cherry. If you are done with listing your characters in Wrapper, click on the Save button and give your video a title. Here, I'll call it Sora Characters for Tutorial. Finally, click on Save and Close. To record the Wrapper video you just made, hover your mouse over to your video, and click on the Play button. The video player will open in a separate window. Pause the video and drag the little circle to the beginning of the progress bar. Next, open your screen recording program. I'll be using OBS Studio to record the video player. Make sure that desktop audio is on and the microphone is off. Now, start the recording, open the video player, and play the video. Stop the recording. If you have a Windows PC, go to File Explorer and check if your recording is saved. With OBS, after stopping the recordings, they are automatically saved in the Captures folder under Videos. To edit and save your recording, go to Canva. If you don't have an account, sign up first. It's free. Then, create a new video, and choose a mobile video format. Once you are in Canva's Video Maker, click on Uploads, then Upload Files. Navigate the File Explorer to your recording. Here, I'm going to videos, then captures. And there's my recording. Now wait for the recording to load. Add the recording to the video track. Click on the recording to crop out the dark parts and center the character as much as you can. Next, pick up your iPhone and go to the Canva app. Make sure to log in with the same account you used on your desktop. Navigate to the mobile video you just created. Click on the Share button, then Download. Make sure that you're downloading an MP4 video. Then, hit the Download button. Wait for the downloading to complete. On your iPhone, press Save Video. You'll receive a message that says, Save to Camera Roll. Now, go to the Sora app. Log in if you haven't already. Press Edit Characters, then Create Side Character. Press Upload Video and press the video you downloaded from Canva. Drag the trimming box to any video section that best captures your character. If you have more than one character in your video, drag the trimming box to the one character you want to cast. Play the video to make sure the clip accurately shows only one character. Press the arrow. Wait for the clip to be processed. Once you see looking good, press Continue. Give your character a unique username and display name. Here, the username will be Dora.GoAnimate and the display name will be Dora Marquez. If you want, you can give your character a short description. You can also add what's not allowed with your character in the restrictions text box. Press Create Character. Choose how you want other Sora users to cast your character. There are 4 options: Only Me, People I Approve, Mutuals, and Everyone. Here, I'll have everyone use Sora. Finally, press Done. On your desktop, go to the text box that says describe your video. And use the @ symbol to tag your character in the prompt. Here, I'm tagging Dora and Mrs. Christina, and I'm going to have Mrs. Christina introduce a math lesson and Dora throw a desk at the chalkboard. You can tag as many characters as you want in the prompt, but keep in mind that each video you generate will be 10 to 15 seconds long. When you are done writing your prompt, hover your mouse over to the Settings button. Choose your orientation as landscape or portrait. Choose your duration as 10 or 15 seconds. Keep in mind that you have 30 video gens per day, and 10-second videos will cost you 1 gen while 15-second videos will cost you 2 gens. When you are done with the settings, click on the arrow. Allow 2 to 3 minutes for the video to appear in the drafts section. Click on your draft video to watch it. If you are satisfied, you can post the video to your Sora profile. If you are not satisfied with your draft, first select the entire prompt. Then go to your profile, then hover over to the text box to paste the prompt, check your settings, and click on the arrow. You can do this as many times as necessary until you see the video you want. Once you post your video, you have the option to download it and share with others and on social media. If you want more control over what's happening in the video, you can use the Storyboard feature on your desktop. Storyboards allow you to write one short prompt per few seconds of video, leading to multiple prompts that include details of what you want the characters to do. I'll show you how to do just that. First, click on the Storyboard button. In Scene 1, use the @ symbol to tag your characters. Then, describe your scene in 1 sentence. Here, I will make Dora throw a chair out the bedroom window. You will want to keep your prompt simple due to the short length of each scene. Repeat this step for Scene 2, Scene 3, Scene 4, and so on. In Scene 2, I want the chair to land on the roof of another house. In Scene 3, I want Elena to ground Dora for a very long time. In Scene 4, I want Elena to whoop Dora with a belt. You can adjust how long you want your scenes to be. Here, I want to adjust to 2 seconds for Scene 1, 3 seconds for Scene 2, 3 seconds for Scene 3, and 2 seconds for Scene 4. Be careful not to go over the duration you set for the entire video. After writing your scenes and adjusting your durations, check your orientation and duration. Once everything is good to go, click on the Create button. Allow 2 to 3 minutes for the video to appear in the Drafts section. Click on your draft video to watch it.
Marquez, you are grounded for 1,000,000 years!
1,000,000 years? That's forever!
Should have thought about that before you launched furniture, and you're getting a whooping too! Ow! Ow! I'm sorry!
If you are satisfied, you can edit the caption and post the video to your Sora profile. If you are not satisfied with your draft, click on View Story to edit your prompts, then click on the Create button again. If you want your video to be more than 10 to 15 seconds long, you can combine multiple clips in the drafts section to make up to 60 seconds of video. This process is called stitching, and you can stitch on your desktop or phone. To start, generate a few clips that you want to include in your video. Ideally, you would want to generate clips that follow a sequence. Here's an example. First, Mrs. Christina introduces a math lesson and Dora throws a desk at the chalkboard.
Let's give it happen. Good morning, class. Today we're diving into fractions. We'll start with halves and quarters. If I have one half,
Not fractions again.
Dora, would you like to try?
Nope, but I know what to do.
Let's give it happen. Good morning, class. Today we're
Second, Mr. Cherry yells at Dora for throwing the desk at the chalkboard and suspends her for the rest of the school year.
Sora Marquez, do you have any idea what you've just done? You hurled a desk at my chalkboard. Look at this mess.
I didn't mean...
Unacceptable. You could have hurt someone. That board is ruined.
I'm sorry, sir.
Isn't Sora Marquez. Do you have any idea what...
Finally, Elena says to Dora that she's grounded for 1,000,000 years for throwing a desk at the chalkboard at school. Elena whoops Dora with a belt.
I heard what happened at school. You threw a desk at the chalkboard, cracked it right down the middle.
It wasn't that bad.
Not that bad. You're grounded for 1,000,000 years.
That's
Keep
forever.
talking and I'll add more. Now you get a whooping for that stuff. I heard what happened at school. You threw a desk at the chalkboard, cracked it right down the middle.
Click on Select, and choose the clips in chronological order. Click on Stitch. Preview your video to make sure that the clips follow in the sequence you want. On your desktop, you can rearrange the clips to change their sequence. Once you are satisfied with the preview, click on Stitch. Allow 2 to 3 minutes for the video to appear in the drafts section. Edit the caption and post the video to your Sora profile. If you enjoy this tutorial, make sure to share it with others so they can also make videos using GoAnimate and Sora. And remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Sora. It means the world to me if you do.